Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to go for custom ringtone setup. For example, here I will come in a setting to sound and haptics. In there ringtone options, there see guys, I have generated 2-3 ringtone. So first see guys, for example second one see. So see guys, here there is a totally difference in vocal sound, and of course you can modify as well as you can use their vibrato of voice, modulation of voice. So according to your own crystallization and desire, you can modify and you can set up by custom method. So how you will do it? So see guys, similar ringtone I have generated here, this one. Now see on my desktop folder, and similarly I would like to delete both custom setup. So how I will do it, I would like to show you here guys. Just I will open a 3U tool. In 3U tools I'm going to connect a data cable right now. So now see guys, I have connected a data cable now. So let's see. Some errors are coming guys here. So now finally connected. Now let me reflect this one on my desktop. So now see guys, here I was here on sound and haptics and ringtones. Now see, two ringtones, both I would like to delete right now. So how I will do it? See guys, here suppose second one I would like to delete, so simply I will go for delete it. So now see guys, it has gone, and now I would like to import, so simply I will go on my desktop, and now see guys, I will select ringtone to number, so it's going to convert and imports. So now see guys, it has imported this one. So of course I can play now. So according to your own crystallization, of course you can generate any ringtones from any MP3, and of course you can go for custom setup. Either you have a smartphone device or Apple device. So let's see now in detail how you will generate with modulation of voice, because see, I would like to show you here guys. See, both sound is a difference. Now see, so of course you can generate a different voice with modulation of voice, with vibrato of voice. So how you will go for change the pitch of any songs voice. So all the things I will show you in details how you will generate it. So for it guys, I will have to this one close. Now see guys, just I will off the internet now, and I will come on this tool, that is a virtual DJ. In there I will select any song, so just I am going to drag one song here. For example this one I have taken. Now see guys, how I will generate. So for it, firstly I will come in a setting to, I will select in the record mode MP3, and now I have to record here. So from here how I will know this one from where to start. So see, for example, here I would like to show you. Let me close it, this one's. Now let's see guys here.
Hello.
Now see guys, this one unnecessary, I don't want to take.
Hello.
So from here it's a start, so just I will come on this board and I will select from this point to, I will take a hot cue from here to, suppose here, from here to here I would like to have. So
Hello. 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 Hello.
so see guys, from here to here I have selected. So this one how you will select in a bracket. In bracket, very simple, just you need to click here, just you need to go in a smart queue. In a smart queue you will be able to, yeah, otherwise just you need to click here, just you need to deselect all one, and after deselections there will be one bracket, so in and out this will be valid. Otherwise if you have selected quantize, yeah, loop roll mode, yeah, smart loops, then of course you will have a problem. So here just I have selected. Now this one, especially see guys, this sound I would like to have effective, so just I will increase this pitch so it will be slow. I will take approximately 5. So now see.
Hello.
So a little sound difference. Now I will take this one high, and this one also I will take a high gainer point. One thing more, I will take it reverb options here. Now let's see how it is.
Hello. Hello.
So now it's going to be quite good. Now see here I will take MID a little bit high. Now of course I will take it 6.2. .6, that's okay.
Hello.
Fine. Now see guys here, if you would like to have a delay option, of course you can have. If you would like to have a echo, of course you can have. So according to the requirement of the ringtones, how you are going to decorate and how you are going to make effectives. Now I have generated whole things. Now I would like to record. So for recording options, just you need to here click.
Hello.
Now see guys, you need to press a computer key button C. So fine. Now
Hello.
click on a Q. Selected now Q. Now see guys, I need to come on a record options. Now see, so it should be a start from Q. Now see, just I will click on record and I will press space button. So let's see, record now.
Hello. 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 Hello.
I have generated these ringtones. Now it's here on my desktop. Let's listen. So now see guys, at the moment you cannot hear it, Why it's so? Because of here, just now you will be able to listen it.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
So see guys, in this way of course you can go for custom ringtone setup, as well as of course according to your own visualization and desire you can generate uh, ringtones from any mp3 song or videos. So this is a very good software. There you can convert in a ringtones, especially custom ringtones according to your own way, own visualization, own desire. And of course either it's a video or audio, of course from any format you can generate here ringtones. So in this video tutorial especially, this is all about guys. If it is informative and acknowledgeable, then please don't forget like and subscribe of these channels, because this is a thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for enhancing the knowledge in IT sector field guys. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time.